we're here with Officer Ida Hussein. She came up with a great idea. You know, heard a few of her colleagues, but she really started this and said, you know what, let's do a Ramadan iftar giveaway. So, Officer Hussein, I appreciate your thoughtfulness on this.
Yeah, but
and we got also
a
Sayed. You know, he came down on his own time and got some pizzas and joined. And this is what cops are all about, you know, giving their time, their money, energy, and for love for the community during this Ramadan. Is there any words? I appreciate you, man.
Yeah. Ramadan Kareem from the Hampshire Police Department, and inshallah Eid Mubarak.
Ramadan Mubarak and Eid Mubarak as well.
All right.
Ramadan Mubarak and Eid Mubarak.
All right, this is Officer Ahmed. She's been working hard today, giving a lot of advice. And also,
Ramadan
Officer
Mubarak.
Ibrahim Mohamedov, our traffic safety officer. Ramadan Mubarak, man. Thank you for everything.
Ramadan.
Thank you for what you do.
Thank you.
All right, you know me already. But Ramadan Mubarak, and just want to say thank you. This is the great officers that we have. That's why I come to work.